So you're looking at pondless waterfalls. You look at what's the main advantage to a pondless waterfall, or what's the difference between a pondless waterfall and a pond? Well, the real difference is there's no exposed water. There's no standing water with a pondless waterfall. You just have the waterfall itself. Now you're thinking, if you love plants and fish, you're going, what's the point? Well, if you want to put your pond if you want your water feature in the front of your house, or on a commercial property, or anywhere where there's liability issues, or if you have small children and you're worried about their safety, but you still want the sound of the waterfall, then the pondless waterfall is perfect for you. They're great in that they're easy to maintain. There's no plants to have to take care of. There's really no, you don't have to clean the pond out. You don't have to, treat your fish. You don't have to feed the fish. You turn the waterfall on, and if you've set up an auto-fill system, there really is no maintenance. It's going to fill itself as it evaporates. So all you do is put a timer on it to run it when you want, and you've got the sound of water and the beauty of the waterfall without the liability or the maintenance issues. Now, you still have to have all that water. There's still a pond, but now it's underground, basically. It's called a vault. And what we've done is, you still have a pond liner, and it's still dug down in the ground, but instead of basically being able to fall into it, you've either filled it with rocks or you've used some of the reservoir cubes. And basically those are milk crates that are turned upside down and stacked, but they're heavy duty, made for ponds, so they can handle the weight of stacking rock on top of them. And that lets you have a much smaller reservoir when you use the reservoir cubes. You don't have to dig quite as big a hole to hold the same amount of water as you do if you're filling it with rocks. You need that because when you turn the waterfall on and all that water is running up back to the falls and rushing down the falls, that's got to draw from that reservoir. And then when you turn it off, there's got to be a place for all that water to go back down to, so that the next time you turn it on, you don't have to refill the pond before you use it. So those are the main advantages to pondless waterfalls. I've seen some very, very nice designs that are done, and if you don't want to have to deal with the maintenance and you don't want to have to worry about the liability, a pondless waterfall could be perfect for you, so that you still have the sound of the waterfall without any of the downfall.